my channel. Today we're decorating the inside of the house for Halloween. So sit back, relax, have a cup of your favorite coffee, light your Bath & Body Works candle, and let the magic begin. First, we're gonna hang that beautiful garland that I made in the last video. So I'm gonna go get my husband Rob, and we got some decorating to do, so I'll be right back. Before we put the garland up, I put command strips, 5 command strips, 1 in the middle, 1 on each side of the middle, and then 1 on the ends. So it holds the garland. Do you see how nice it's sitting up there? That's what you want because the garland is heavy. So make sure you put up your command strips, everyone. Just a little tip. Okay, so everyone, I'm gonna have my cup of coffee and I'm gonna decorate the window for Halloween. I get excited, I sing a little opera. What are you gonna do? Cloth at the dollar store, which I really love because it's spooky, soft, and you can really just put it anywhere. So I'm going to put it over my mirror actually. One over here and 1 over here. This is why I love these little bats. I got them at the dollar store. And they're great because they have clips on the back and you never know when you need them. Something a little extra. Okay, let's see how this looks. Right now, I decided to add some of these big Halloween balls to the garland, just putting it on with some pipe cleaners. These are shatterproof, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. That's the key when you use garlands like this. we're going to do my fireplace, and I'm gonna have some 3D bats flying out of it. I never did this before. I got an inspiration looking on a picture on Etsy, so we'll see how it comes out. Wish me luck. Okay, so these bats I got on Amazon. Really, really easy. Double-sided tape, put them on the back. Then you peel the back of the tape. Fold one side in, one side in. Voila, looks like a bat. Boop, boop, boop. And then we put them on the fireplace. Now we got bats flying out of the fireplace. So, for my next video, I have a special guest. You guys might recognize him, actually. Oh, hi, Jack. It's Jack the Pumpkin King. That's right, everybody. Jack the Pumpkin King is coming to my house for my son, Robbie T. So stay tuned to check out how I'm doing. See you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Bye-bye.